What's going on, guys? Tony Richie, Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. We're gonna go ahead and close out the trade on Goblintown. What the fuck? um, it's been kind of pumping, and I feel like I just want to get rid of it and just take my profit. Been looking at it for the past couple days. I think this thing can get into the 3 to 3.5 floor price, but I got in at 2. I'd be happy making pretty much, like zero point 0.6 Ethereum on this thing. I think this guy made a mistake. The floor is at 2.74 and this guy sold it for 0.274. I think he just wanted to sell it at the floor, but he put point instead of 2.74, and he literally sold it for $500 when he could have got 5,200, give or take. Because you can see what they're selling for now. Crazy, 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 crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine up for sale right now. If we can see, I paid 0.2. I discovered these things a few days ago, and I could have jumped in at like 0.6 Ethereum. But then by the time I looked, it was popping. And yeah, so my rank is about 3,700 out of 10,000, so it's pretty up there. So we're gonna list it for a little bit above the floor. The floor is 2.74. Maybe we'll go like, hopefully it runs a little bit. I'm gonna go like 2.95 or 2.97. You can always list it and then drop the price without any fees, but if you want to raise the price, you got to cancel the listing, pay a gas fee, and then reprice it. So it's better to start higher than lower. So I'm going to click sell. This is how it pretty much looks like when you're selling an NFT on OpenSea. We can also sell this thing on Looks Rare, which I should also do. But I'm just going to put it up there for 2.97 for now. And we'll just let it go. I'm going to have it up for, I like to do 2 days, but we'll just put it up for 1 day for now and see what happens. I'll have to probably make a follow-up video if this thing doesn't sell tonight. It's possible it could sell tonight, but I might have to put a follow-up video. But this is how you list an NFT anyway. If you follow the channel, just subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think, if you like this type of content. And when I sell this thing, I'll actually make a follow-up video. I'll be like, hey, this is what we sold it for. This is how much we made in profit. So that's pretty much it. Complete listing. Make sure your decimal mark is in the correct place. Confirm 2.97 listing. And this doesn't usually cost you a fee. It used to cost you a fee. If you're scrolling down here and you don't see this blue thing light up, the sign button, you got to click this arrow. Okay, and then signature request. And that's basically putting it up for sale. So if you click view item now, boom, it's for sale for 23 hours. I can lower the price here if I want with no fee. Okay, but if you want to increase the price, you're going to have to cancel this listing, then put it up with the new price. All right, so it's up for 297. If I flip it, I make pretty much 1 Ethereum within a few days. Not bad. And that's pretty much it. How to list an NFT for sale. It's Crypto Richie here. I always say Tony Richie. It's Crypto Richie here. If you want to learn more about how to make money flipping NFTs, certain altcoins to get into. I've been doing this since 2017. Made a lot of money in the crypto space. So if you want to learn more, click the link right over here or down below under the description here. Check out my Crypto Waters website. These dogs to learn more. Talk to you soon. Thanks.